Meaning of egg.
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 Egg. The word egg refers to an oval-shaped reproductive structure that is produced by female animals, especially birds, as well as some reptiles and insects. The egg is typically surrounded by a protective shell and contains the nutrients needed for the developing embryo to survive. In human culture, eggs are commonly used as a food source and can be prepared in a variety of ways, including boiled, fried, or baked. Eggs are also used in many baked goods as a binding agent or leavening agent. Overall, eggs play important roles in both the natural world and in human society.